Using Telegram gift cards can enhance your experience on the platform by allowing you to purchase premium features or services. Follow these steps to effectively use your Telegram gift cards. Step 1. Obtain a Telegram gift card. Purchase a Telegram gift card from an authorized retailer or online store. Ensure that the card is valid and check for any specific instructions provided with the card. Step 2. Open Telegram. Launch the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the features available for gift card redemption. Step 3. Navigate to Settings. In the Telegram app, go to the Settings menu. You can find this by tapping on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner or by selecting the gear icon, depending on your device. Step 4. Select Payment Options. Within the Settings menu, look for the Payments or Billing section. This is where you will find options related to managing your payments and redeeming gift cards. Step 5. Redeem your gift card. Follow the prompts to enter the code from your gift card. Make sure to input the code accurately. Once confirmed, the balance will be added to your account, allowing you to use it for purchases on Telegram. By following these steps, you can easily use your Telegram gift cards to enhance your experience on the platform. Enjoy exploring the features available to you.